Today we are going to start the new chapter called polynomials. Okay, now this polynomial word is not a new for you people. We have done this same topic in grade 9 also. However, we will start from very beginning. Okay, so first of all we have to understand the meaning of polynomial, and to understand the polynomial first of all you should know about algebraic expression. And for algebraic expression, you should know about two words, variables and constant. Okay. So what is the meaning of variable? So we can say it is an entity whose value may change. Value may vary. And generally variables are denoted by small letter like this X, Y, Z. Okay, let me write. I will write the notes only properly. You can also take these notes. So first of all, you have to understand the meaning of what a variable. So what is a variable basically? So what I can say, it is an entity whose value can be changed. It is an entity whose value can be varied or whose value can be what a change. And generally variables are denoted by what a small letter. Okay, so for example, if I'm writing X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R, these all are called what? Variables. Okay, next thing what we should know about constant. So what is the meaning of constant? So what I can say, it is an entity means anything, it is an entity whose value cannot be changed. It is an entity whose value cannot be changed. Okay, for that a classic example is what a pi. For that a best example is what a pi. What is the value of pi? 22 over 7 or 3.14. Okay, so pi you can say a constant whose value is what? 22 over 7 or approximate value is what? 3.14. After that you know E is also one constant whose approximate value is what? Actually 2.712. Okay, so constant means what? It is an entity whose value can never be changed. Okay, pi you go anywhere in the world, it will remain 22 by 7 or 3.14 only. In that there is no doubt at all. Okay, so first of all these two small things we should know. Based on that what I can define algebraic expression. So what is the meaning of algebraic expression? We can say it is a mathematical form which is made up of variable, constants and symbols. Symbols like what we can say plus and minus. So algebraic expression, if I want to say, so what I can say, it is a group of variables, constants and symbols. It is a group of variable, constants and symbols. Symbols like water, plus or minus. Plus or minus means here no any restriction. Okay, they didn't tell any restriction. They just told it is a group of variables, constants and symbols. Means any example you can write. Okay, if I'm writing 3x raised to minus 2, 7x raised to 3 plus 12. This is called algebraic expression. Second, 2 by 3x plus 1 by 2x minus 7. This is called algebraic expression. Means no any rules and regulation. In that a variable, constant and symbol should be there. It's not like this that you should use only one variable. Multivariable also you can use 2y minus 3x square plus 7z. This is also called algebraic expression. So what is the meaning of algebraic expression? Basically, it is a group of variables, constants and symbols. Okay, you can see this example 1. Variable is what x, constant are what 3, 7 and 12. Symbol is plus plus we're using. Here variable is what x, again you can see. Constant is what 2 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 7 or just 7. And symbol are what plus minus and so on. Okay, the algebraic expression is what basically a group of variables, constants and symbols. So if we know this much thing, based on that we can define the term what a polynomial. Okay, so in simple words, if I am telling what is a polynomial, so polynomial, what I can say, it is an algebraic expression. Now see, in polynomial definition we using the word algebraic expression, so we should know the meaning of algebraic expression. So it is an algebraic expression, sorry, it is an what a algebraic expression whose power is what non-negative. See, they're using the word non-negative, not positive. Non-negative means what? Positive or zero. So it is an algebraic expression whose power is what a non-negative. Okay, and for these general form if I'm writing, so you can write like this: p of x. Okay, p is a name of polynomial and x is a variable in which you writing the polynomial. Now we're going to study a polynomial with single variable only. Okay, so for example, general form if I want to write like this: an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 till what? A naught. Okay, these generally you will read as a naught or a 0. Okay, so these an minus 1, an minus 2, these are just a symbol, coefficient of these variable terms. Okay, and standard form is what? Power always you should write in decreasing order: x to the power n, then x to the power n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on, and last term will be what? Constant term. So this is just a standard form of n degree polynomial. Okay, what is the meaning of degree we study? Okay, but degree means what? Highest power. You can see here x power n, here n minus 1, here n minus 2. Among those highest is what? N. So this polynomial is called what? A n degree polynomial. Okay, but what is the important thing to understand here? Power must be non-negative. Okay, for example, see, if I am writing here 2x square minus 3x plus 11. Okay, so very clearly we can understand your variable is what? X. Okay, let me give the name of polynomial. For example, here I'm writing, generally we should write on left side, it's fine. The p of x is equal to this thing. You can see x is a variable whose power is 2, which is non-negative. Okay, here x is a variable, power is 1, which is again non-negative integer. Okay, let me add one more thing. It should be what? A non-negative integer. Okay, now see here, this previous example already I gave to you people. Okay, here you can see x power is minus 2, which is not non-negative. Non-negative is positive or 0. Okay, that's why this is not called polynomial. Now here x power is minus 2. If here x power is minus 2, so there is no point of checking this here. Okay, this is what? Non-negative, of course, yes, but all should be non-negative. Okay, so this is algebraic expression, of course, yes, but this is not a polynomial. Second example also you can see here x is in the denominator. That means if I am writing in standard form, it is basically what? X to the power minus 1. 1 over x, basically what I can say? X to the power minus 1. So this is again what? A negative. So this is also not polynomial. However, it is called algebraic expression. Third example you see x, y and z, three are variables. Y is a variable whose power is 1, which is non-negative. Yes. X is a variable whose power is 2, which is non-negative. Yes. Z is a variable whose power is again 1, non-negative. Yes, of course, this is also called what? Polynomial. Sorry. So from this, what conclusion we can make? Every polynomial is algebraic expression, but reverse is not always true. Okay, all algebraic expression you cannot say polynomial. You can see your example 1 and 2, which are algebraic expression but not polynomial. Okay, so this is one thing we should know very well. Let me write few more examples. Okay, example number 2. For example, I'm writing polynomial in variable y. Okay, root 3y square minus 11. Okay, see, coefficient can be any real number. You have to see the power of variable. Okay, it is an algebraic expression whose power is what? A non-negative integer. And when I am writing here power, you should understand by default I am talking about power of variable, not any other term. Okay, so this is also called polynomial because y is a variable whose power is 2, which is what? A non-negative. Here 11 written, so 11 means what? Actually 11 into y raised to 0. Any raised to 0 answer is 1. So here y power is what? Again 0, which is non-negative. Non-negative means what? Positive as well as 0. But generally y raised to 0 we will not write because anyway it is 1. Okay, so I hope this is clear. We will study about examples, so definitely able to understand. Okay, so this was just a brief introduction about what a polynomial. Next thing what you to study different types of polynomial. Next thing what we are going to study different types of polynomial. So give the title next year, types of polynomial. Okay, now types of polynomial you can write in two possible ways. First category, A category. A category is what? Based on number of terms. Based on what? Number of terms. So based on number of terms, different types of polynomial are there. So in that first part is what? Monomial. First part is what? Monomial. Mono means what? One. Means we can understand a polynomial which having only one term is called what? Monomial. Okay, the monomial means what I can say? A polynomial having one term only. Okay, monomial means what I can say? A polynomial having one term. Okay, example, if I'm writing here, see, p of x is equal to 2x to the power 7. So plus minus will separate term. 2x to the power 7 means 2 multiply x to the power 7. It will treat as a single term only. So it is called monomial. Yes. Second example, if I am writing q of y is equal to 3 by 2 x raised to minus 2. This is called monomial? No. Because first of all, this is not a polynomial only. First thing, first thing is what? A necessary and sufficient condition for polynomial should be satisfied. Means power of variable should be what? Non-negative integer. Here you can see power is only minus 2, which is negative, not allowed. Okay, but if I'm writing now here x square, so now this is called monomial. Yes, because only one term is there. Okay, one more example, if I'm writing a of x, okay, 2x, this is called monomial. Yes, because only one term is there, 2x, and x power is 1, which is what? A non-negative. Okay, so what is the meaning of a monomial? A polynomial having only one term is called what? A monomial. Second one. Second one is what coming now in this category based on number of terms? Binomial. Okay, so what is the meaning of binomial? A polynomial having two terms. Okay, the binomial what I can write? A polynomial having exactly two terms. Okay, having what? Two terms is called what? Binomial. Okay, by means what? Two. The binomial means two terms. Okay, p of x is equal to, p of x means what? P is a name of polynomial and x is a variable. So p of x is equal to, for example, I am writing 2x minus 3. So here you can see two terms are there. 2x is one term, 3 is another term separated with sign minus. So plus minus will separate a term. So it is a two term polynomial. That's why it is called what? Binomial. Okay, one more example. If I'm writing q of y is equal to 3y square minus 11y cube. Okay, so this also you can see two terms are there. So this is called what? A binomial. So what is the meaning of binomial? A polynomial having two terms is called what? Basically binomial. And in that third one, special type is what coming? Trinomial. So trinomial is what basically, now there is no need to give explanation, you can understand from the name. Okay, trinomial means what? Having how many terms? Three terms. So in trinomial, if I want to write, what I will write? A polynomial having exactly three terms. Okay, polynomial having exactly three terms is called what? A trinomial. Example, p of x is equal to, I'm writing like this, 3x square minus 11x plus 12. Okay, you can see how many terms are here. Three terms are there. 3x square is one term, 11x is another term, and 12 is a third term. So this is an example of what? A trinomial. Okay, one more example. See, q of y is equal to root 3 y minus 7y raised to 10 plus 11 by 2. Here also how many terms are there? Three terms are there, and very clearly you can see y power is 1 and here 10th, of course it is polynomial, and three terms are there, it is called what? Trinomial. Okay, so based on number of terms, these three types of polynomial are there: monomial, binomial, and trinomial. What four term, five term? So if four term, five term, it does not have any special name. We will simply tell as polynomial only. Okay, till three terms we can categorize special name. One term is monomial, two term is binomial, and three term is what? A trinomial. I hope this is clear for everyone.